Hello and welcome to azurewala YouTube channel. We are in part 7 of Microsoft Power BI playlist. In part 1, we learned about the installation of Power BI desktop. In part 2, 3 and 4, we understood about loading data into it. And in part 5, we learned about creating a Power BI report. In part 6, we learned about configuring the general settings of Power BI visualization. Today we are going to learn how to format X and Y axis on the bar chart in Microsoft Power BI desktop. We have launched our Power BI desktop file. We left it here. So we are on visualization pane. We'll go to format your visualization. First of all, you should select your visualization. Then switch to visual tab. Under visual tab, you will find Y axis and X axis sections. Click on Y axis. Let's little bit expand it. In this bar chart, this is the title of our y-axis, the category. These are values of our y-axis. This vertical one is the y-axis and the horizontal one is x-axis. These are the values of x-axis and this is the title of our x-axis. This length of the bar denotes the sum of quantity for each product category. Now we have already expanded y-axis here. Under y-axis, first we have values. If I switch off the values, you will notice the values of y-axis disappear. If I turn it on, these will be visible. I can increase the font size from here of these values. Further, I can change the font color of these values. I can also switch the y-axis position from left to right. Further, if I have hierarchy, I can concatenate labels. Let's collapse the values. Now come to the title of y-axis. If I turn it off, the title will disappear. If I turn it on, the title will remain here. The title text is coming from dataset, which is automatic. If I want, I can change it or override the text which is coming. Let's call it product category. I can change the font size of the title. Let's change it to 20. I can change the color of the title as well. Let's collapse the title. Now, next setting is layout. So minimum category height we can set and accordingly it will adjust the bar height. Let's change it to 20. Let's collapse the y-axis. Now we move on to x-axis. On the x-axis, first option is range, a minimum and maximum. The minimum is auto, it is starting from 0 and maximum it is reaching to 300. If we want, we can change it. Let's make it minus 100. The starting range becomes in negative. And if I make the maximum range to 500, it will look like this. Further, if I want, I can invert the range. So it will be right to left. Let's make it auto again. Let's collapse the range. Next is values. If I turn off the values on the x-axis will be disappearing. And if I turn on, this will be visible again. Let's change the values field to 15. Further, you can change the color of your values here. You can go for more color and look for a color which is little bit different from others. And you can choose like this. Next is you can change the display units of the values on the x-axis. We can turn it to thousands and it will show the thousand sign in front of the values. Let's turn it back to auto. Further, we can add a decimal point. Let's say if we are putting it 1, it will have single decimal point here. So we'll keep it auto. Let's collapse the values in x-axis. Let's move on to title. Title is sum of quantity. If we want, we can change it. So I will call it product quantity in each category, right? Let's change the font size to 20 and we can change the color of our x-axis title as well. Let's collapse the title on the x-axis. In this video, we have learned the properties of y-axis and x-axis on bar chart. I hope this video was informative for you. Please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, press the bell notification icon. Thank you for watching this video. See you in next video.